Hi everyone and welcome. It's Lauren here. I'm super excited to be with you from Acting Classes in Perth. This is episode number 5 of the Acting Classes in Perth, your questions answered daily show, the show where I sit down and answer all your acting related questions at 7 p.m. every single day, 7 days a week here on Facebook Live and YouTube Live simultaneously. Now, a huge thank you to everyone who is joining us. I can see you guys starting to watch. Thank you so much. Give us a big thumbs up. Okay, so today's question comes into us from Chower. Congratulations, Chower. And I loved the question as well. It's not a question we get a lot here, but I thought it was actually quite an important one. So thank you so much, man, for sending it in and also sending in your voice recording. If you are keen to give us a question, to do a voice recording, we're going to tell you how to do that in a couple of episodes' time later next week. So stay tuned. You will find out how you can appear on the show as well. But before we get into Chower's question and my answer to that question, what I would love is if you are watching us now, give us a big thumbs up either on Facebook or on YouTube. We would love to know if you're out there. If you have a question for us, add it into the comment section or just say a hello. I really love seeing who's out there while I am on there. Thank you so much. Now let's run into Chower's question and see what he is asking us today.
Hi Lauren, it's Chow. My question is, what is the role of an executive producer? Thanks for answering my question.
Thank you, Chower. It is a great question. It does vary depending on the type of production, whether it's a film, an independent feature film, or a studio-funded feature film, or if it's a TV series. But look, generally speaking, the role of the executive producer is to oversee the work of the producer on behalf of the studio or the finances or the distributors as well. So overall, they will pretty much ensure that the film is completed on time and on budget, and also they need to make sure that all that happens within agreed artistic and technical standards that is required by the distribution companies, by the studios, and the overall TV networks as well, if it is going to be a TV series. Generally speaking, the role of an executive producer is one of senior management. It's a senior management type role, and you're most likely as an actor probably never ever going to meet one. If you do meet an executive producer, you will know at that stage that you have probably made it right up to the top, and that's going to be really exciting for you. Seldomly are you ever going to meet one, though. They tend to be more so in Hollywood and on huge budget films. So when you get that moment, when you are in front of an executive producer, you're meeting them, take a moment and think, hang on, I'm meeting an executive producer, and like a genuine, like a real high-end executive producer, not just like Joe Bloggs down the road who calls himself an executive producer. I mean like a real one who works for a studio, who works for a distribution company, who works for a financing body. Then take a moment and think, oh my gosh, I've actually made it this far. And that's a huge moment for you. So really, please do take that moment in. Thank you, Chower, so much for asking that question. If you liked this question, click the share button and share the love amongst the acting community with this video. If you are watching us here on Facebook, then click like and also follow our page. If you're watching us on YouTube, simply click the subscribe button and be sure to click that notification bell so you stay updated with all the future videos from us. And on top of that, if you're listening to us on iTunes, then just click subscribe. We will keep you updated with every single episode as they come out daily. Now, thank you so much for joining us. I will see you again tomorrow at 7 p.m. for another super awesome, I was going to say like wicked, amazing, fantastic. I'm pretty excited about tomorrow's question. I don't want to say too much. Join me at 7 o'clock and you will hear it. I'll give you my answer. That's me for today. Have a great night. Stay safe until I see you tomorrow. Happy acting.